Everyone, it's great to have you here. And if you are on an Android phone, which was the bulk of the devices that you had used for this particular project, this is how to use collaborative tools from the Google Workspace. So this is the Google Workspace. For this project, one of the things, two of the tools that you most probably use and you should know how to use very well is Google Docs and Google Sheets. If you remember the class clearly, it says that Docs is the collaborative tool for Microsoft Word and Sheets is the collaborative tool for Microsoft Excel, the Google collaborative tool for Microsoft Excel. So what we would do here is to search for Docs on your on your Google Play Store, or if possible we can come down here while that is loading. We do that, go to our Chrome browser and we search for Docs also. The Chrome browser is most probably signed on to a particular Google account, Gmail account, so we can search for Docs also, and you see docs.online documents PDF. So this first thing that pops up, that's what you are going to click on and it's going to open. We go on to do the same thing for Sheets. You go to your Play Store if you are using a phone. This just gets you a lot easier. So you search for Sheets as we have here and you download or you install as it were. Remember, you can still do the same thing with your Chrome, Google Chrome, and go up there and look for, just search for Sheets there. Just do that. So it should take you to Sheets. So you should see your Google search pop up and you see Google Sheets, that particular first option that is giving you up here. That's what you're looking for and that's what you want to click on. What we have to do now is look for Docs in our apps list. This is Docs. So it opens up the Google Doc and here you are. It's signed in as me and it has loaded some of my documents. I click on this plus sign. It's supposed to give me choose a template or new document. You get new document. I did this in the class and this just for the benefit of those who were not there. And so let me write the Tech Bridge project from GDSS Abuja. I click on this check mark to save it. Then you see this untitled document at the top left. I click on it and it automatically gives the first sentence that I have there, puts it as the name that I want to rename the document. But let me just go and rename it so that you see what I'm talking about. GDSS Abuja. So that's important. That's how to basically rename a document. So you have this here. You go back, you can see it. You can click on these three dots and come up here and see download. You can see download, so click on download and one item will be downloaded. I'll download this file. It will appear on my phone as a PDF. So that's that for this. As it were, still go through your phone apps and look for S, and you can see it. I can see it by the left hand corner there, just under security. I click on Sheets. We open up Sheets and it's supposed to log into my account and it has shown me quite a couple of sheets that I have here. So I click on plus, it gives me two options. I go to new spreadsheet. I just do the same thing because we've done this in class here. Let me just name my first cell. Just check out the video on the YouTube channel for the class where we had some fun. GDSS Abuja, right? I click this save. I click this check mark also. I go down, I go back, and I can see it here, an untitled spreadsheet. That's the newest one by the left. I click the three dots and I'll look down for rename. I'll name it GDSS Abuja. Let me put it Excel. Let me do this. Then I'll come here, still click that same three dots and click download. One item will be downloaded. So the next step, the next thing we are going to go get is the how to upload what you have downloaded now on a Google Drive or on a folder in Google Drive. You want to upload some of the documents that you downloaded up on your drive, and so this is just me playing around. You click on the link that has been sent to you, and yeah, you just pick the right email. Let me do this, and you are supposed to get into the drive properly. Yeah, so you can see the tech bridge, and let's say I want to upload my school's documents. I do this upload, and it's supposed to take me to my file manager, your file manager, and you can see the Excel file that I have gotten. So I can press down to highlight this and see this GDSS also, and press down and I click on select, and yes, upload. So normally for some of us it will tell you, oh, you should turn off the Wi-Fi, you should allow files to be uploaded off mobile data. You can do that. So you can see in my tech bridge, in that tech bridge folder now that was created, I have uploaded two things. So name your files correctly and upload them, and we will be able to see them, we'll be able to have access to them. Every other person also that should have access to them will be able to have access to them. I hope this was enjoyable, and I hope that you learned one or two things. Thank you.